You can do three things to reduce excess salt in vermicelli upma or Semiya Upma. Method number 1. You can add lemon juice into the excess salted upma. In case you're doubtful about the quantity of lemon to be squeezed in the upma, add a little bit of lemon juice, mix thoroughly and taste it. In case it's required, you can add excess and adjust the taste. After adding the lemon juice, you should also take care to add half a teaspoon of sugar also to it. Mix thoroughly and then now taste the upma. It would be appropriate. Method number 2. Take a kadai, fry a little onions and tomatoes till it is mushy, and take care not to add salt. Now add the cooked vermicelli upma to this, mix well and cook it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can taste this upma. The salt would be appropriate.